Okay, there's another bird in the chimney, or the old chimney rather. When we get the roof put on, we'll demo that chimney top, and it's blocked down here. But all we've done really is just put up one of these old-fashioned stovepipe plate blockers from God knows what state back in the Midwest somewhere. But works perfect. So it's not our idea. And then to hang my one of my favorite pictures up there. Get a flashlight. We used to have a wood-burning stove over here in the corner, which never worked very well for several reasons. One, it had a huge crack down the side of the firebox, and the other one was the way this Fred Flintstone chimney was hooked up. I don't see anybody.
I wonder if he did fall down between the wall.
There's no way in between the wall.
Yes, there is.
No, there isn't.
Want to pause that for a moment?
What, are you going to show me?
Uh-huh.